Namaste everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to find a comfortable seated position if you're planning to begin your meditation practice. So there are a few things that you could prepare. One is the yoga block, and then you can prepare a small cushion. You don't really have to buy a meditation cushion to do meditation. Any cushion will do as long as it's not too soft. You can also find a larger cushion like this, rounded or square, doesn't matter really. And this is one thing that you probably want to invest on if you find it hard to sit in cross-legged position for some reason. Probably you have had some previous injuries, your hips or spine, and you need to kneel down. This is one meditation prop that you could invest on. I'm going to show you how to use it after this. If you look at this one, it's slightly slanted forward. So what I usually do is I'll just come to kneeling position and place my feet underneath the stool and then just sit on top again. So this is able, this stool actually allows me to also stack my spine properly and keep myself awake when I meditate. And it takes some load off my ankles and my feet, so it's quite comfortable for those who have had injuries or always have issues placing their ankles on the floor for a long time. So this, you can actually feel that I can wiggle my toes and dance my feet away here. Okay, so again, so you can place your hands in any comfortable mudra here. And make sure that you're not jutting your neck forward, and you want to stack your spine nicely here. You can relax your eyes, take a deep breath, you can close your eyes and enjoy a couple of minutes of peacefulness here. Now I'm going to show you how to place the cushions so you can sit for relatively still for a longer period of time. So you're going to do a large cushion and then a smaller one on top, and you want to let me turn sideways so you can see. So in this position, you can see that my hips are higher than my knees. So this will most likely already help me to extend and stack my spine in a comfortable and appropriate position. And I can also relax my shoulders at the same time. This is one position that you want to be in when you meditate, and you do not want to be in a slouching position or overarching your back or leaning forward or backward too much. So you want the top of your head aligning nicely to the tailbone. Now if you do not have any comfortable cushions, but you have a yoga block and a yoga mat, same thing. So just place your yoga block here. Sometimes you can place 2 yoga blocks depending on the flexibility of your hips. So again, as long as your hips are higher than your knees, and you'll be more than comfortable to stay here for at least 5 minutes, I promise you. So I hope this video is able to help you to gain some insight on how to find a comfortable seated position to kickstart your meditation practice. Namaste.